guys, what are we about to do?
Ride in the Skyliner. Yes, sir. Are they? What is that? Where are they? What is it? Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, please watch your step and please remain seated.
This is cool. Great mark. Scoot over a little bit. Alright, so we are all inside the Disney Skyliner.
Oh, yes.
They gave us our little boarding passes and boarding passes. Everybody show us your boarding passes. Hey. So we are about to go take this around the resort.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. The breeze feels really good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Carribean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
Alright, this breeze definitely feels really good. Like, it does not feel hot. I mean, you can see Mark's hair. Look at it blowing in the breeze. Yeah. These are nice. Super comfortable. The benches are great.
Yeah.
Little Disney Skyliner.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
Interesting.
That's cool. I didn't know that.
Is that right here?
I don't know. There's a new Hollywood Studios bridge over there. Yeah, this breeze is insane. Look at Mark's
Did you
hair.
know that the entire Walt Disney World Resort
Devin
is
and Josh up
40
in
square
here.
miles? That's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan.
What is the whole Disney Resort? You have to take one of these to get into the ocean.
Oh, do you?
Like it takes you like across the ocean. Like,
Oh, I've seen that. You have to do that like in Anakista too, in Pigeon Forge or Gatlinburg. Take it up to the resort.
We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort shortly. All passengers must disembark and transfer at this station. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
That's cool.
I like how they have like random facts just playing.
Yeah.
I love the way they did this airflow where they angled this down.
So it like comes in here.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So where are we going to first, guys?
Carribean Beach.
Caribbean?
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the
Oh, yes,
cabin,
it's really
please
nice store.
supervise children,
Oh, that's
collect
cool.
your belongings, and watch your
Well, I was
steps.
like, yeah,
Thank you for flying with us.
That's really cool.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.